To import your third-party documents, first, log into Lucidchart. From here, click on the gray Import button near the top left-hand corner of the Documents page. You can see that you can import multiple types of files, including Visio, Gliffy, and Omnigraffle. To import a file, just click on the option that's relevant to you. In this example, we'll use Visio documents. Next, in the Import dialog box, you can drag and drop your files from an open window, or click Choose Files to browse through your computer. You are able to mass import files from any type. Once you have all of your files selected, click Import. Once your documents have imported, you can click View Document to be taken straight into your imported documents, or click Done, and you'll see your imported documents listed at the top of your Documents page.